Fine.
1 second. Yes, sir.
See, today we'll start with uniform plane wave. See, one thing I want to ask you people is, let us consider in one direction the wave travels. In which direction you want to say? Let me know. Yes. Sure, fine. See, in exam they may ask x direction, y direction, or z direction. As you are saying, I will take, okay, the wave is propagating in x direction. See, I said electromagnetic wave theory, even textbook is given, you can't copy. They may ask, see, in textbook, you will derive everything assuming the wave is traveling in x direction. If they ask, assume the wave is traveling in y direction, the things will get changed. No. I will define, as I said, as per this x direction. See, electromagnetic wave is said, electromagnetic wave propagating in x direction is said to be uniform plane wave if E bar and H bar are varying along the direction of propagation. What is that direction of propagation? X. And are you getting? First, take on this. A electromagnetic wave propagating in x direction. The electromagnetic wave propagating in x direction is said to be uniform plane wave if E bar and H bar are varying along the direction of propagation. Okay. First point. Second point. Uniform plane wave, where they exist? That is the second question. They exist only in free space. Uniform plane wave exists only in free space. And for all these things, I'll draw the figure. Then, third point is, I said E and H will vary along the direction of propagation. Is it or not? Only they vary along the direction of propagation. Third point is, they are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. They are mutually perpendicular, not perpendicular, mutually perpendicular to direction of propagation. E bar and H bar are mutually perpendicular to the direction of propagation. The last point. The component of E bar and H bar, the component of E bar and H bar along the direction of propagation is what?
0.
0. That is, along the direction of propagation, which component it is? Ex and Hx. They are 0. Along the direction of propagation. Means which component will exist then? Ey and Ez possibility. Then one more possibility? No. Shall we see all those 4 points? No. Shall we see? See, I say E and H will vary along the direction of propagation. No, first, this E will exist in which direction and H will exist in which direction? That is our first question. In textbook, that will be missing. You will draw the figure and you will go ahead. No, you can't draw as you want. That is the first question. Where the difficulty arises if you study from the textbook. You can't draw as you want. But This will exist in some direction, this will exist in another direction when the wave is provided. Now let us see simple formula AE bar AH bar AK. Means this is the direction of propagation. This will give the direction of propagation. This will give the direction of electric field. This will give the direction of magnetic. Now at present, I took the direction of propagation as AX bar. Then what is A bar and AH bar? A
Y cross
Y
cross
into AZ. AY into AZ is it right?
Yes.
Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Means E will exist in the Y direction and H will exist in the
Z.
no, shall I draw that? Just this. And is it fine? E के लिए I'll use yellow color. And I say this will exist in E. Let me complete first. And I say is said to be uniform plane wave if E is vary along the x direction. Whatever this variation, whatever I am putting, whether along the direction of x, the amplitude of E is changing or varying along the which direction? Huh?
Y direction. Sir, X means 0.
In which direction amplitude is changing?
Y. Sir, how?
This is x direction. At x is equal to 0, what is the amplitude?
0.
At x equal to this much.
Yes.
Let us take x equal to 1, 0.2 something. The amplitude is changing as x is changing.
Yes.
Now tell me, the variation of E is in which direction?
X.
I'll come to your point. Don't worry, let us clear one by one. Means variation of E is existing in the
Direction.
that is direction of propagation. The wave is propagating in x direction. पता चला सबको?
Yes.
Then similarly, I'll draw for sorry H. H is in which direction? This is that direction. Just see this. I'll draw something. This will be like this. In second wave, in second cycle, this will remain same like this, but it will be ऐसा नहीं था. I mean, this will be vertical. See, इधर ये ऐसा है. This E will remain vertical, but here it will become H is horizontal. Means just doing something.
Sir, it is inside the bone.
Entering. Again, what about here?
Like this. Down.
Leaving the
Yes.
they are mutually perpendicular to each other.
Yes, sir.
E and H are
Mutually perpendicular.
they are appearing like this here.
Yes.
And here it is like this. And again,
Oh. Yes, sir.
always they are mutually perpendicular to the direction of propagation. 3 points clear हो गए definitions का. Variation of E or H along the direction of propagation. They are mutually perpendicular to each other and they exist in free space. Why they exist in free space means their amplitude will remain same along the direction of propagation. That's why we call it as a uniform plane wave. Amplitude anywhere changing?
No.
If it is other than free space, the amplitude will come down as the wave propagates. Now the last point. One more point. What is that one more point?
Along the direction of propagation, E and H are 0.
Along the direction of propagation, the component of E bar and H bar is 0. Which is the component along the direction of propagation? Ex. Don't tell me what the. See, this direction means which component of E? Y. In this direction, which component of H?
Z.
Hz. This is Hz. Means in this direction I will be writing E bar. In this direction I will be writing H bar. Means Z is existing in this direction. EY is existing in this direction. Any component is there in this direction? EY is varying along the direction of propagation, but nothing is in the direction of propagation. What about EX or HX?
0.
See? But EX and HY is 0. But even EZ,
And HY are 0.
wait, HY, they may present. Possibility.
So, but they are perpendicular, no?
They are perpendicular. I say along the direction of propagation they are
0.
EX and HX they are
0.
do for example what I do same AX I'll write it as same AX I say yes there may be possibility EZ and HY exist.
Exists.
You know what I do AX can be written as
Minus of AZ cross AY.
yes sir no tell me EY sorry this is EZ
HY.
EZ HY they exist or not?
Yes.
That's why in any textbook all these things would be there.
It's confusing.
You won't get this information at all till end. That's why the electromagnetic wave propagation will become tough. Is it clear? I said only along the direction of propagation the component will be 0. In which direction wave is propagating here? X direction. Then only Ex and Hx is 0, but remaining component will exist. In first case we saw Ey and S. Even in second case EZ
HY.
पता चला है ना?
Yes, sir.
Please, in any textbook of electromagnetic wave, whether will you see this figure? रहता है this figure. और wireless communication के ऊपर भी रहता है this figure.
What is that?
This is electromagnetic wave. Why today's strength is less like this? Morning भी वैसा ही था अभी हो. Is it take down the figure? कुछ doubt रहे तो you explain. And no, let us speak these cases. You tell me the direction. Then I will tell the possibilities. A perfect way to nothing will be there in the derivation what we do. This will teach us lot to make the. It will take. Let us spend some 10-15 minutes time on this thing, and further things will become very easy. Okay? Fine. Please take down this figure. And whatever I said, all those 4 points are clear with respect to uniform plane wave. Please take note. If you have 2 pencil, 2 color pen, वगैरह, better to do. Are you feeling this? You need to imagine this. Are you getting that imagination or not?
Yes, sir.
Till you make it pause. No, you tell me in which direction shall I consider the wave propagation? Tell me.
Minus Z.
Okay, minus Z. See, If it is traveling in a z direction, I will call it as a forward wave. If it is traveling in a z direction, I will call it as a forward wave. No, she said backward wave. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
I said yesterday in last class, wave will travel in forward as well as
Backward.
In free space or uniform plane wave, only forward. Backward कब रहता? When there is a reflection. Okay, I'll go to this example after 2-3 minutes. At present, I'll take only forward wave. Don't think that I'm skipping 2 minutes only.
Sure.
Fine? Let us take forward wave first. In which direction? AZ. Chalo. This is your AK. Then what will be AE?
X, Y.
AX.
Cross AY.
Means E will be in the direction of
X.
X. And
H. H will be.
means if you are taking this as Z, Z,
Up at
in this direction you come. This is X, Y, anti-clockwise, right?
Yes, sir.
I am following only this only, always. No, this is your E and this is your.
H.
Don't need to take, that will be there in the video. Yes, it's done. No, one more possibility for this. Still the wave is propagating in AZ only.
Yes.
What is one more possibility?
Minus AY.
Minus?
AY cross.
Okay. Minus EY?
No, no, no.
No, okay. Minus AY cross?
Cross AZ. X.
Yes or no? See, this will be yellow color. It will be that side. Minus. Are you getting? Minus AY.
Minus AY.
Are you getting? This is Y direction. It
There is
like
no
this will
reverse.
be here. You want me to draw?
No, sir, no, sir. Understood.
Whatever is this is appearing here in next cycle, it will be here.
Yes.
It won't be like this. It will be like this. Just if this is right. E. This is what I do. X. Y. First I will draw the E. E के लिए always I maintain yellow. And what about X?
Upward.
Up. It will be just. They are not overlapping. They are perpendicular to each other.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? They are not overlapping. In figure they are appearing overlapping. They are perpendicular to each other. Means just. This is your
H.
H and this is your means they are something like this. Are you getting?
Yes.
They are something like this. In no textbook all these things will be you will mention of. I am saying. Is it okay? No, let us means no tell me along the direction of propagation whether E and H they are occurring.
No, sir.
Other than direction of propagation, E and H will occur and they will vary along the direction. They are varying.
Yes,
Their
along the
amplitudes are varying along the direction of propagation. Okay. No. You want one more case? One more case? Or enough?
Minus AY.
Enough. No, let us go to minus. Backward. Let us take. No, tell me back. This all whatever we discussed there forward travel. Means traveling from 0 to positive. No, backward means from positive towards 0 or towards negative. No, tell me. In which direction? This backward traveling wave.
Minus AY.
Minus x. Okay.
Z.
Chalo, I'll come to that also. Let us take this is x, backward travel liquid. Fine. Then what is the possibility? One possibility
AZ cross
is
AY.
A. See, what is AX first?
AZ cross AY.
AY into
AZ. AZ.
simple. मुझे उतना fast नहीं है मैं. If you think yes, I am not that fast in cross product. Simple. You know what is this? AX into AY, AY into AZ, AZ into AX. You know this? Is it out?
Yes, sir.
This is AZ. This is AX. This is
AY.
चलो AX A. What is where is AX? AY into AZ. No, I need a minus means AZ into
AY.
this is one. Means E will occur in Z direction, H will occur in
Y direction.
Okay. Then one more possibility.
Minus AY cross AZ.
One more possibility for this.
Yes, sir. Minus AY cross AZ. We are reversing that.
Minus
AY cross
AY, sorry. Minus
AY cross AZ.
Or one more possibility, AY minus AZ. वो भी आ सकता है. AY minus AZ equal to minus. Is it right?
Yes.
Are you getting this? You should become perfect in this. Okay? This is like this, or AY cross like this also. AY
Cross minus
minus AZ equal to minus AX. Is it clear? No. Let us take simple one more example. I will take it. Shall I write this portion? Sure. I'll take the wave is propagating in the x direction. I'll maintain throughout only x direction. But exam में as देखिए. Then this is AE, AH, AE. That is AY, yes. Means I need EY, I need X. If the wave is traveling in
X direction.
X direction. Because it won't have EX or HX. But it may have EY and EZ. EY or EZ. HZ or no, I need to decide if the wave is propagating in X direction, whether I need to take EY or EZ. Based on this, can you decide? Or you want to do both analysis? One, yes, wave is propagating, then I want to find only EY, not EZ. Then I want to find HZ, not
HY.
okay. No, I have this mind this. No, for backward.
EZ.
But at present I decided I want to have only EY and HZ.
Minus
I have only
EY and
EY and HZ because I didn't do analysis for
EZ and
EZ and no, with this, with EY and HZ, how to write this minus AX then?
minus EY cross
A,
Y
Y, cross,
AZ. No,
Means-
1,009. No.
is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Means that is EY, E will be in the positive Y direction, H will be in the
Negative Z.
means एक बैकवर्ड वेव के लिए क्या होता है फॉरवर्ड वेव के लिए E is in Y, H is in Z. For reverse, E will be still in Y direction. H will be in
Negative.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear to you?
Sir, can we interchange here with
हाँ.
A1 can be minus
Minus.
minus AY cross AZ. Yes.
You can do. But no, sir. I want to do like this. Minus A. This is.
Yes,
This,
sir.
sir, this also right. इसके लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? EZ. My already what I form. You need to find this also, na? That's the next hour. Now tell me, when these two are available, whether I go for this? I should not. Nothing wrong going, but it's a waste of time. That's why understand. ये बहुत interesting है if you listen to it. I'm damn sure कौन सा भी textbook में you study any textbook. I'm not saying that I'm saying all these things. You study, you refer कहीं भी ये concept clear नहीं. That's the reason this electromagnetic wave propagation, the students will raise the hand because so many things. Is it clear? Yes. Then shall we see the general solution of uniform plane wave in a free space, because this will exist in a free space. Okay? Shall I run this? Still any doubt you have regarding those? You have any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I run this? General solution of uniform plane wave. General solution, very general. See, uniform plane wave exists in free space or not?
Yes, sir.
Then which wave equation I need to consider?
Loss.
Wave equation. Electromagnetic wave equation for free space. Means what is that? Dou square E by del square E minus 1 by
C square.
C square, dou square E bar by dou T square is equal to 0. This is one in terms of E or in terms of H. These are the wave equations. Then what are the general solution of that? For this, the general solution is, alright, E of x comma t. I didn't say it in which direction. Chalo, I assume the wave is propagating in x direction. Yes or no?
Yes.
If wave is propagating in x direction, E will be in
Y.
y. Alright, Ey is equal to F1 omega t minus beta x. Can you see up to this point?
Yes, sir.
This point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll put a point here. Plus F2 omega t plus beta x. Same solution for this. That is, the solution for this is h z x comma t. This is a general solution. See, this F1 and F2 may be exponential function because they are linear constant equation. LCCD, linear constant coefficient differential equation. The general solution for them is like this or not? This F1 may be exponential. It may be cos or it may be sin. Will you agree?
Yes.
In your differential calculus you studied exponential, cos or sin. No. The question is, what is your F1 and what is your F2? They may take any one of these three, but this is what type of wave? Forward traveling or backward? No. As distance increases, what happens to this wave? Let us take, this is your F1 of omega t. Okay. Let us take this a function of x. In signal side system, are you getting? Just recall the signal side system. No, what I do, I'll take this x is equal to 0, then I'll take x equal to some 3. That is F1 of omega t, beta let us take 1, x. Then this is shifted to 0, 1, 2, 3. Means same function will be here. Whether it travel to right side or left side. Then forward traveling wave or backward traveling wave. This is your forward traveling wave. Then what about this?
Backward.
Is it clear now? This is forward traveling wave, this is backward traveling wave. And F1 and F1, F2 may take exponential function, that is plus or minus beta x or cos or sin omega t plus or minus beta x. Your F1 and F2 may be, this is generalized exponential or cos or sin omega t plus or. And this is forward travel first component. F1 is a note down. F1 is a forward traveling wave and F2 is सबको पता चला? No. When forward traveling wave will be there, when backward traveling wave will be there, or when both will be there. That is our question. Yes or मुझे when I will get a reflection. If I am standing there in a ground, I am talking openly. कभी मुझे reflection आता है? Whether I get, but here in a closed chamber, if I am talking, then I will get a reflection. Because whatever I am talking, it will be incident and it will be reflected back. No, this is even the electromagnetic wave. It's part of electromagnetic wave. Means what I want to say here is, in a free space, only one component, only one wave will be there. Which is that? Forward traveling wave. Take a note. In free space, only forward traveling wave exists. That is F1. In all textbook he did only this F1 analysis further. He didn't touch F2, but we will try to touch F2 also. Okay? Will we do generalize? In free space, only forward traveling wave will exist. Second point. The backward traveling wave will present when wave incident on reflecting surface. In bracket, which is a reflecting surface here, conductor. In bracket, conductor. Reflecting surface is a conductor here with respect to electromagnetic. The backward traveling wave exists when wave incident on reflecting surface. That is in bracket conductor. बड़ा hall में देखिए, they will put something like asbestos, something they will put. Whatever we are talking, it should absorb, not reflect. Because RCC में भी conductor रहता है. Whatever we talk, it should not get reflected. It should absorb. Something that the architect, बड़ा auditorium, they will put something. Otherwise, it will get echo. But still, echo that will create a noise. Because whenever reflection is there, this is a forward traveling wave, and this is a backward traveling wave, and they will add up and they'll do something. Simple. They'll lead to standing waves. I'll tell you. पानी ऐसा ऐसा जा रहा है. Suddenly you stop. Water is moving. Suddenly you put something. Stop. Then what happens? Whatever this wave is gone, there it will come back. One wave, then starts. Forward and traveling combined, given a standing water. Yes or no? There won't be further flow. That's why whenever forward and backward wave travels, whenever there is a present of forward as well as backward wave, that leads to standing. All those things, even in transmission lines also, we will study those things. Is it clear now? When forward wave will be there, and back only in case of reflector, that is conductor, reverse backward traveling wave will be there. Otherwise, there will be backward traveling only forward. Even if you take a dielectric, also dielectric won't reflect, but wave will get attenuated whenever it passes through dielectric. Fine? No. No, this is general thing what I discussed. No, let us go to the specific. What will be your F1 or F2? No, I will take, instead of uniform plane wave, I will take electromagnetic wave. Uniform plane wave means only I should take free space. Electromagnetic wave traveling in free space. Then like that I need to derive four equations. Electromagnetic wave propagation in free space, lossless dielectric, lossy dielectric are conducting, and are conducting. Out of those four, lossy dielectric are conducting is general. From that we get another three cases. Hence, shall we study first or shall we start electromagnetic wave propagating in lossy dielectric? Or in some textbook he did all four analysis. In maximum textbook he did all these four analysis. इतना पेज दिखाई देता है, इतना पढ़ना पड़ेगा. No, one derivation, one analysis. From that you will get everything. Again, from the mathematics we will draw whatever I have drawn the figure. बहुत interesting है. You जो भी 30 students है ना, don't miss forward. If you want to learn. Shall I have this? No, take down that. Have you taken this? So, the next is, shall I have this?
Yes, sir.
Electromagnetic wave propagation in lossy dielectric medium or conducting medium. Not perfecting. It's a poor conducting medium, is it or not? You first, what do you mean by lossy dielectric medium or conducting medium or poor conducting medium? You need to define. What is that lossy conducting medium? See, a lossy conducting medium is the one in which as wave propagates, it loses its power. It loses its power, and whenever the wave is propagating in lossy, or for example, मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ, मेरा एनर्जी जा रहा है, मेरा पावर कम हो रहा है, it's a loss. In some medium I am traveling, as I am traveling, my energy is coming down because that medium is affecting me. That medium is affecting. अगर medium अच्छा रहे तो मेरा energy as it is रहता है. मेरा energy अच्छा रहता है as it is. अगर medium अच्छा नहीं रहे तो I lose my energy as I travel into that medium. अगर जंगल में जा रहा हूँ, रोड अच्छा नहीं है, I need to lose my energy to travel. अगर अच्छा लॉन है, आराम से आंख बंद कर लेके जा सकते हैं. उधर एनर्जी लॉस नहीं होता, गेन होता है, रीजनरेट होता है. Will you agree or not?
Yes.
That's why a lossy dielectric medium is the one in which electromagnetic wave loses its power due to poor conduction. Due to poor conduction. Take on please. First, a lossy dielectric medium is the one. A lossy dielectric medium is the one in which the electromagnetic wave loses its power due to poor conduction. Lossy dielectric is a poor conductor, is it or not? Due to poor conduction. Fine? So, then the electromagnetic wave equation for lossy dielectric medium is given by. Note, either you start with one of those two equations which you derive in terms of E or in terms of H. One you derive, one more I will tell you how to get. No sir, I don't want that shortcut, I want to derive how. You do it. It's your wish. One of those two in terms of E or in terms of H. E. Shall. What is that equation? Del square E minus.
mu 1 by
Tell me.
1 by mu naught epsilon.
1 by?
Mu naught epsilon.
No. For lossy dielectric medium I am talking. Please see.
It's mu.
Mu. Do it fast. This equation I brought instead of wasting your time. That's all?
Yes, sir.
This is the equation what we have.
Minus delta rho v by
What is the value of rho v?
0.
Volume charge density is
0.
we have put this equation. Volume charge density is 0. Poor conductor or any medium you take, volume charge density will be 0. This is the equation for loss. No. Assuming in which direction wave is propagating? X. Chalo. First what I do, I will expand this. Okay. This is something. Rho square E bar rho x square plus rho square E bar rho y square plus rho square E bar rho z square. This is the relation. Function of x, y and z. I'll take these, that side is equal to fine. Check it. Any doubt? Just this is a Laplacian double order differential equation and function of x, y and z. In second unit we saw how to write a Laplacian. Is it okay?
Yes.
No. No, here you need to decide wave is propagating x, y, z. I said you tell one, but exam mein whatever he asks as per that you need to. You say yes, x. Easy. Assuming the wave is traveling in x direction. Assuming wave is traveling in x direction. Then what happens to this scientist? What happens to this scientist? 0. Because E is changing with respect to x. I defined. E is not changing with respect to y. E is not changing with respect to z. Uniform plane wave ka. See how many things will come into the picture. Are you getting whatever I said in those definition is coming into the picture or not? Simply you can't deal with mathematical equation. These two things will become 0 because of the wave is traveling in x direction. No, the wave is traveling in y direction.
X and Z.
This and this. E is changing only with respect to y. If the wave is traveling in z direction, these two will become 0 and E is changing with respect to z. No, either you start with wave equation in terms of E bar or H bar. For H bar also it remains same. Then, okay na? Have you taken up to this? Then. Shall I rub this? Shall I rub?
Yes.
Then, this equation I'll write it as rho square E rho x square is equal to If you do mistake in wave equation, the results will get wrong. This is the equation. No. One more point of uniform plane wave. I need to define what is this thing. This is E bar everywhere.
Yes.
The wave is propagating in which direction?
X.
Then this would be having EY plus why X component is missing? Because the wave is propagating in the which direction? Ex is equal to 0 because wave is propagating in the X direction. If wave is propagating in Y direction, Ex, Y direction I am talking. Ex is. If wave is propagating in Z direction, Ex is E. These changes will occur. Mug-up करने से आता है? No, you need to understand. Then, shall I write this? Have you taken? Then substitute. Substitute this here. This equation number shall I call it as 3 and this is 4. Substitute 4 in 3. What do you get?
0.
Huh?
Sir, Y component X.
How come 0?
X component is not there.
Wait. Will do. Alright, like this. EY plus EZ is. I'll substitute. It is equal to rho EY plus EZ
by rho.
by T plus mu epsilon rho square by 2T square E Y AY plus EZ. Fine? Then, no, from this, can I get two equations? Just equate AY components. Then equate AZ. Can I do or not? Equate AY component. What I'll get equate if I do equate AY component? Rho square EY, it is not bar. EY, just where AY is here, AY is here, AY is here, AY component. I'll get 2x square. Can you see this or not there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. Then mu epsilon dou EY by dou T plus mu epsilon dou square EY by dou T square. This is equation number 5. And one more equation I'll get. Shall I have this? Equating AZ component. What I get? Dou square Z divided by dou x square is equal to this. That is mu epsilon dou Z by dou T plus mu epsilon dou square Ez by Faraday's equation. No. They are second order differential equation. Function of t as well as x. Will you agree? I said electromagnetic wave is the one which is the function of space and time. Not only time, distance and time. No, 5 time equations 6 है. 2 equation आ रहा है. I need to decide here again. In textbook this is missing. From which equation I need to continue? Yes or no? Whether I need to deal with this equation or this equation for continuation. In textbook he won't say you take one equation and continue. But आपको कैसा पता चलना चाहिए कौन सा equation से I should continue? Are you getting or not this? No, tell me. You think I spent some 5 to 10 minutes time already. From which equation I need to continue? 5 or 6?
5.
Why?
EY.
Ey. Because I assumed wave is traveling in x direction and Ay is this is your Ae, this is your Ah, this is your A. Means electric field रहे तो Ey रहता है. If this equation starts with magnetic field, I should Sz से continue करना. I'll get like this. I should continue with okay na? No. Let us write down one point. Let us continue with equation 5 because why?
EY.
Because the wave is propagating in x direction, then Ey will exist. Yes or no? I'll take like this. Ey will exist. I'll drop this equation number 6. Okay, na? Then. Shall I have this?
Yes, sir.
So, it's a 12 marks derivation, one full question. Starting from Maxwell equation, derive wave propagation in so and so medium. First you need to derive Maxwell equation in terms of E and in terms of H. Then from that Maxwell equation you need to derive this. Now what I do, this. No. You say, sir, this will be 0. Yes or no? Sir, this will be 0 and something. No, I will define what is your let Ey is equal to I will define Ey is equal to Em e to the power something j omega x o t no. Then further I need to let us put what is your Ey.
But actually, EY is a constant.
Hmm?
EY is not a constant, sir.
Ey is varying with respect to time. Sorry, with respect to distance.
Okay.
Just I have said na.
Yes,
Just
sir.
take this is with respect to x it is varying.
Yes, sir. So that's not 0.
No, this won't be 0. No, let us take define like this. Okay? Ey is equal to Em e to the power j omega t. Then see what happens to this and what happens to this. But however, this will remain as it is. Because this is your Ey, just we saw now.
Yes, sir.
Varying with respect to x.
X.
Then what is just Ey is equal to, I will define like this. It may be exponential, cos or sine. Let us take exponential. Then what is bar is not there. Huh? Whenever I write a component, bar will be there. Without component, bar will be there. Then dou Ey by dou t is what? J omega
Em.
Em e to the power j omega t. This will be written as j omega y. What is this part? Then again bar. What is dou square Ey by dou t square? J omega dou
J is to omega
Ey
square.
by dou t. What is J? What is this thing?
J omega EY.
J omega I will write as it is, and this is J omega
EY.
EY. This will be
J square omega square
J
EY.
square omega square EY. J square is minus
Omega square EY.
EY. That's all. This I won't do anything because EY is a function of
X.
no. By seeing the equation, sir, EY mention करे आप, how would it be a function of x? By seeing you get doubt or not? But by studying that uniform plane wave definition, mathematics देखे तो it is wrong. But concept wise देखे तो this is 100% correct. That's why the basics are very important. No, shall I substitute these two? Call it as equation number 7. 7 in 5. Substitute 7 in 5. Shall I do that here? Shall I do that here? Substitute 7 in 5. This will be J omega EY. And what about this? What is this? Minus omega square EY. Okay, now? Don't do yourself like this. This is equation number 8. Are you getting? पता चल रहा है नहीं? Yes or no? Seriously? No, we are ending. I need to stop, but we are at the end. There I'll stop. Only one more equation. Shall I have this? Done. Dou square EY dou x square. I'll write something minus this comes minus this side and this comes, it will be plus omega epsilon. I'll write EY here equal to 0. Am I right? Check it.
Yes.
Yes or no? No, I'll write this equation as I'll stop writing after this equation. I'll write this as something omega epsilon minus J mu or else you take mu common. Can I write like this? EY and omega I took common. EY omega took common. J is there. Yes, J is there. J mu conductivity. J mu conductivity minus here. And this side mu epsilon omega. Okay now? Then shall I write this? Shall I write this? I know. Shall I write here plus a? Then dou square EY by dou x square plus gamma square EY is equal to 0. Now tell me this is a part linear constant coefficient differential equation in terms of EY.
Yes.
Where gamma square is a propagation constant. Gamma square is a propagation constant, it is equal to this.
With omega.
Your gamma square is this. Okay? I need in the next class, I'll find the solution to this. You said, no, just this is linear constant coefficient differential equation, and you know solution will be in terms of cos, sine, or exponential. Yes or no? That's all. It's a matter of 5 to 10 minutes from here, where this is a propagation constant, gamma square is equal to this, and gamma is equal to root of this. Shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Next class we will continue. Is it fine?